welcome to Body Percussion Level 2. If you're watching this video, that means that you have completed the whole of Body Percussion Level 1, so well done, excellent work. Now Level 2 is slightly more difficult than Level 1, but do not worry because I know that you are up for the challenge. So in Body Percussion Level 2, there are 3 different sections to learn, just like Level 1. The sections are the introduction, the chorus and the verse, and the good thing is that the introduction is exactly the same in Level 2 as it was in Level 1. So let's just have a little warm up and let's do the introduction together, okay? So remember, it's 4 bars long and it starts with a right foot stamp. Get yourselves ready, let's have a go just once through all together, just the introduction. So it goes like this after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stomp, stomp, fly. Click, click, ta, 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 doo, doo, sh, sh, ta. Very good, well done if you managed to remember that. Excellent work. So that is the introduction for Level 2 and it's exactly the same as Level 1. Let's move on to the chorus for Level 2. So the chorus in Level 2 is a whole 8 bars long and I'm going to do each bar step by step now. So bar 1 of the chorus goes like this, nice and slowly. It starts with a stomp. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Stomp, thigh, chest, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 tee, tee. Okay, you'll go. See if you can have a go with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Stomp, thigh, chest. 1, 2, one more time. Stomp, thigh, chest. Nice. Okay, and bar 2, it goes like this. So it's all TTs in bar 2. Starts on the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest, chest, thigh, thigh, chest, chest, clap, clap. You'll go, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. 1, 2, here we go. Chest, chest, thigh, thigh, chest, chest, clap, clap. Nice! Bar 3 is all TTs again, but it starts with 2 stomps and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stomp, stomp, thigh, thigh, chest, chest, clap, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. You're going to join in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. 1, 2, one more time. Stomp, stomp, thigh, thigh, chest, chest, clap, clap. Super. Okay, and then bar 4 starts on the shoulders and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 ta. So do you remember the pop we put in Level 1? Well, we're doing the same in Level 2 and it's in exactly the same place. Alright, so that bar again, that's bar 4, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder, shoulder, thigh, thigh, stomp. Okay, you'll go, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder, shoulder, thigh, thigh, stomp. 1, 2, and again. T, 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 ta. 1, 2, one more time. T, 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 ta. Excellent. Okay, what we're going to do now is just going to put those 4 bars together to start with. Okay, so bars 1, 2, 3 and 4 of the chorus and they go like this, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ti, ti. Excellent. So what you can do now is pause the video and keep practicing those 4 bars over and over again, and then we're going to move on to the next bar. Okay, so in bar 5, it's very simple because it's the same as bar 3. It's all TTs and it starts with your feet and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. 1, 2, now you're go. T, 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 T. 1, 2, one more time. T, 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 T. Excellent, well done. So that was bar 5. Bar 6 is the same as bar 2. So it's all TTs, but it starts on the chest and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. 1, 2, now you're go. Chest, chest, thigh, thigh, chest, chest. Excellent, very good. Bar 7 is the same as bars 3 and 5. So stomping again, all TTs. Let's try it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. 1, 2, one more time. Stomp, stomp, thigh, thigh, chest, chest. Nice, okay, and then finally, bar 8 is the same as bar 4. Remember, with that pop on the end and starting on our shoulders. Let's try it nice and slowly together. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 ta. 1, 2, one more time. Shoulder, shoulder, thigh, thigh, stomp. Alright, very, very good. Let's put those 4 bars together. So this is bars 5, 6, 7 and 8. And they go like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Stomp, stomp, thigh, thigh, chest, chest. Chest, chest, thigh, thigh, chest, chest. Stomp, stomp, thigh, thigh, chest, chest. Shoulder, shoulder, thigh, thigh, stomp. Very good. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to put the first 4 bars of the chorus and the second 4 bars of the chorus all together. Alright, I'll do it first, see if you can join in. And then if not, we'll do it another time and see if you can join in with that go. Okay, so after 4, we're going to start with a stomp. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stomp, thigh, chest, clap, clap, chest, chest, thigh, thigh, chest, chest. Stomp, stomp, thigh, thigh, chest, chest. Shoulder, shoulder, thigh, thigh, stomp. Stomp, stomp, thigh, thigh, chest, chest. Chest, chest, thigh, thigh, chest, chest. Stomp, stomp, thigh, thigh, chest, chest. Shoulder, shoulder, thigh, thigh, stomp. Very good. How did you get on? Did you do all right? Should we try it again? All right, here we go. Ready? Whole 8 bars of the chorus. They go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ti, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ti. Super, well done if you managed to follow all that. Don't worry if you didn't, keep rewinding the video and going over it bar by bar until you get there. Very good, that is the chorus for level 2. Now let's have a look at the verse for level 2. So this is very similar to level 1 and there are 8 bars. 7 of the bars are all the same and the 8th bar is a little bit different, okay? But those 7 bars that are all the same go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. simple. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp, chest, thigh, shh, thigh, chest. Should we try it together? Here we go after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp, chest, thigh, shh, thigh, chest. Nice. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp, chest, thigh, shh, thigh, chest. Good. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, T, ta, shh, T, T. Okay, very, very good. So there are actually 7 bars of that rhythm on repeat, and it's going to start really quiet as well, like in level 1. So let's try and do those 7 bars together. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, T, ta. T, 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 ta. T, 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 ta. Shh. 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 T, T. Very, very good. Those were our 7 bars. And then for the 8th bar, just like in level 1, we're going to put our hands on our thighs and we're going to do TTs, and they're going to start quiet and then they're going to get louder. And that is called a crescendo. Okay, so it goes like this. Bar 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. Good. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. Nice. Let's put those 8 bars together, all right? So there's 7 bars on repeat and then the 8th bar on the end. Okay, here we go. Ready? Remember to start quietly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamp, chest, thigh. Shh. Thigh, chest, stamp, chest, thigh. 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 Thigh, chest, T, 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 T. Yeah, very good. So just like the introduction and the chorus, if you need to go back and rewind and do the verse over and over again, that is absolutely fine. Okay, so now what you need to do is keep practicing the introduction, the level 2 chorus and the level 2 verse. See if you can do that this week, and then next week we will release level 3. So good luck and keep practicing.